Welcome to AuctionExport. In this video, you will learn how to make a deposit to your AuctionExport account. Press the login button and input your account details. Click the profile button at the top of the page. Next, you want to click the profile button again. Here you will see your profile menu. In order to make a payment, you should select Finance and Make a Payment. On this page you can make a payment either with your credit or debit card or using a bank wire transfer option. Please note that the maximum card transaction amount is $2,500. Any amount exceeding that limit will be subject to fees. To make a deposit with your card, you should click the Pay Now button. Using the Worldpay payment system, making a payment is quick and secure. Please fill out all the details and click the Deposit button. In the next window you want to mention your card details. After making a successful payment, you will receive a confirmation of payment to your email. If you would like to make a bank wire transfer deposit or make a full payment for your purchase, click the View Bank Details button. You will now see the bank details available for your country precisely. You can print out the form and go to the bank to make a payment. Please note that all the payments must be done in US dollars. Should you have any questions, visit us at www.auctionexport.com. Email us at help@auctionexport.com. Call us at +1 416 900 3303.